Let's read. Okay, read slowly.
It is a hot day.
It is a hot day. 2 boxes for you, Zahra. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
Fred and his gang are camping.
Very good. Fred and his gang. Read the word again.
Gang.
Yeah, gang. Fred and his gang are camping. Very good. Write the rocket. Can you read this one?
Fred is grilling some
Some.
fish and Fran is helping him.
Good job. Fred is grilling some fish and Fran is helping him. Another 2 boxes for Zara. Can you read this one, Zara?
Pam is mixing some drinks and Frank is chopping some nuts.
Very good. Pam is mixing some drinks and Frank is chopping some nuts. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Good job. Another. Can you read this one?
But Dick is just sitting on the sun thinking of some scene.
Very good. But Dick is just sitting on the sand thinking of something. Very good. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
As for Cat and Stan, they are putting up the tent.
Very good. Okay, again, how do we read this word?
Chat.
Chad. Tu. As for Chad and Stan, they are putting up the tent. Very good. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this?
They like putting up tents.
Very good. They like putting up tents. Good. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this?
Chuck. The chimp is running here
Here.
and there.
Very good, Chuck. The team is running here and there. Right, the rocket. Okay, next one. Can you read this one?
Russ, the pup is digging the sand.
Russ the pup is digging the sand. Okay, you've reached the star. Good job. You've won the race.